Here's a new 2019 Cadillac CTS sedan. With inspirational beauty, intelligence, and purpose, this CTS makes a statement in every element of its design. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, Ultra View Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, sport suspension, Bluetooth streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.